Hi everyone, this is Rio from CalSouth Systems. I will continue to talk about the Business Central Wave 2 that was released last year, 2022. I will cover new updates on Microsoft Power Platform and Microsoft 365. I've already covered application, governance and administration, country and regionals on the previous videos, so please watch those videos too. So let's get started. On the Microsoft Power Platform, Microsoft has improved the way Business Central integrates with Power Platform like Power BI, Power Apps, Dataverse, and other apps. And you can customize Automate, Action, and Role Center in your Business Central. And for Microsoft 365, Microsoft has given more control to manage OneDrive and Excel and ability to edit data and lay out reports in Excel to improve productivity. From this release, you can show more than one Power BI reports on your role center in Business Central. So you don't have to go back and forth looking at Power BI for different data. And now you can put multiple data in one screen. Also, to show or hide Power BI reports on the role center, you needed to control by the page and fact box. But now you can show, hide, remove from personalize, and you can learn how to personalize your Business Central by watching my video. I'll put the link on the bottom, so please feel free to watch that one. And for other updates on Power Platform, you can add media and images to Business Central by using Connector. You can manipulate media files when you are accessing Business Central online data through Power Platform and Azure Logic Apps Connector. And these Power Apps and Power Automate supports for document attachments like sales quote, so you can record data and file in one place. Other updates with Power Platform are that you can switch the Power Automate on or off so that you can control automation. When turning on Power Automate Flow, you can set up to notify every change made in your entity. And from this Wave 2, admins have more control to manage OneDrive and Excel. For OneDrive-related features, you can set up from OneDrive setup to choose to download a Business Central file and other feature settings. There are other improvements to OneDrive integration is that you can edit files in Excel sheet by automatically copy to Business Central folder in OneDrive. Also, you can share the files directly from Business Central. These make us easy to manage and collaborate on business documents and work with other files in the browser. And also, I've uploaded the video on Excel tricks in Excel editing from Business Central. So I'll put this link on the bottom. So if you want to know more about how to edit or view data in Excel from Business Central, watch this video. And of course, there are other updates on Microsoft 365. For better teamwork, Microsoft has embedded Business Central in the tab in any group and channels and team. Of course, the Business Central license holder can access Business Central data on your Teams app, but even if you don't have Business Central license, you can still view Business Central data through simplified user interface in Teams. I believe that these changes make business flow more efficiently and more productive. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you liked it. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.